The Daher TBM 980, unveiled in January 2026, has firmly established itself as the fastest single-engine turboprop on the market, cruising at an impressive 330 knots. Designed for high-speed business travel, it features Garmin G3000 Prime avionics, offering pilots seamless control through 3 massive 14-inch touchscreens. Under the hood, the TBM 980 is powered by the reliable PT6E66XT engine, producing 850 horsepower and paired with a 5-blade FADEC-controlled propeller, giving it remarkable performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. The Rolls-Royce Griffith VTO, conceived in the late 1950s, represents one of the most audacious aviation concepts ever imagined. This British design was a supersonic airliner with vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, intended to transport 44 passengers from London to New York in just 2 hours. What made it extraordinary was its propulsion system, a staggering 68 turbojet engines, with 12 large swiveling wingtip engines for high-speed cruise at Mach 2 across the Atlantic and 56 smaller lift jets for hovering during takeoff and landing. Designed by engineer A. Griffith, the concept amazed the UK's Government Technical Committee but never left the drawing board. Atlanta-based aerospace startup Hermeus is pushing the limits of hypersonic flight with its innovative Chimera engine, which transitions seamlessly from turbojet to ramjet, enabling speeds above Mach 5 without the need for rockets. Their Quarter-Horse program focuses on unmanned aerial vehicles, starting with the Mark 1, which successfully flew in 2025. The more advanced Mark 2.1, which completed its first subsonic flight in March 2026, is larger and heavier, setting the stage for future supersonic operations. One of the most striking and unconventional designs comes from XPeng Aero HT, which has unveiled a modular hybrid electric 6x6 land aircraft carrier. This massive truck can drive over 1,000 kilometers while carrying a detachable 2-seat eVTOL drone on its back. The drone can be launched and recovered via rear rails and pop-top vertical takeoff mechanisms, avoiding heavy batteries that would reduce flight efficiency. Initially showcased at CES 2026, the system has already received over 7,000 pre-orders, each priced at roughly $276,000. Sweden's Heart Aerospace ES-30 is a 30-seat hybrid electric regional airliner aimed at transforming short-haul aviation with low emissions. It can operate fully electric for around 200 kilometers using large onboard battery packs, achieving zero emissions for short hops. For longer regional routes, turbo generators act as range extenders, increasing its capability to roughly 400 kilometers with a full cabin and up to 800 kilometers with fewer passengers. With 4 electric propulsion units, a 2+1 seating layout, the Dream Chaser Tenacity from Sierra Space has cleared all critical pre-flight milestones at NASA's Kennedy Space Center, preparing for a historic cargo mission to the ISS later in 2026. This mini spaceplane can autonomously transport over 12,000 pounds of supplies to orbit and return 1,700 pounds of cargo safely to Earth. Ground tests have included high-speed runway simulations mimicking re-entry landings, electromagnetic compatibility checks, and full recovery drills, ensuring the craft can land safely on runways like Vandenberg or Kennedy Space Center, similar to the Space Shuttle. Virgin Galactic is leading commercial space tourism with air-launched suborbital vehicles from Spaceport America, New Mexico. The VSS Unity completed 12 paying passenger missions by 2024, offering a few minutes of weightlessness and breathtaking views of Earth. Each flight reaches Mach 3 and crosses the Kármán line, the edge of space. In 2026, the Delta-class ships will join the fleet. They feature improved aerodynamics, advanced avionics, and higher reliability, with faster flight turnarounds and enhanced passenger comfort. The goal is to make astronaut experiences accessible to more people worldwide. The eVTOL Alice is a fully electric 9-passenger commuter aircraft, unveiled in Israel and first flown from Washington State. It has a lightweight composite airframe and is powered by twin Magnix electric motors on the wingtips plus a tail-mounted motor, achieving a cruising speed of 260 knots. With a range of 440 to 460 kilometers and 30-minute fast charging cycles, Alice is ideal for short regional flights. Over 600 units are on order from Cape Air and DHL, with certification targeted for 2027. Skydweller Aero is developing a solar-powered autonomous flying wing with a 72-meter wingspan, weighing only 2,540 kilograms thanks to carbon fiber construction. It uses 17,000 plus solar cells generating 100 kilowatts, plus 635 kilograms of lithium batteries for night flight, allowing 90-plus days of continuous flight at 45,000 feet. It can perform ISR, maritime patrol, and communications relay missions with payloads between 360 to 800 pounds, building on the legacy of Solar Impulse 2 for perpetual solar-powered endurance flight. The EVO 810 is a hybrid electric regional airliner designed to carry 76 to 88 passengers with a maximum range of 500 nautical miles. Its cabin is optimized for passenger comfort, featuring modern seating layouts, large windows, and quiet electric operations during short hops. For short flights under 100 nm, the EVO 810 can operate fully electric, including taxiing, takeoff, and landing, producing zero emissions and minimal noise.